I would make a video to help remind you of how to go back and look up previous stock prices. I've already looked up Apple. I searched up here in the search box, got to this web page. I'm going to switch the graph to full screen over here. And then from that point, you can sort of adjust the range to whatever you want it to be. If I wanted to look up something from last week, it's actually already giving me dates from last week. So let's say that I wanted to look up on the 9th. I would just scroll along the graph until this box down here showed me that it was the 9th. And then this box in the upper left corner pops up with the open, high, low, and close prices. So that's going to be a really helpful tool for you. You can go back, a long time ago and see what was happening 5 years ago. That'll be helpful to you in the assignment that you're working on. So, 5 years ago today must have been a weekend, but there's the 14th, which is pretty close, and you could use that.